Wanted to talk about this amazing writer that I've come across, and I'm sure you're already a fan of hers. But to those who are not acquainted with her, I'm talking about Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, and the book that I'm reading is called America, and I hope I've said it right. Now, this book I think is the perfect introduction to her brilliance, and I'm sure you've heard of the other books written by her: Half of a Yellow Sun, Purple Hibiscus, We Should All Be Feminists, because I just cannot stress on how captivating her prose is. She writes so well on really relevant topics, and she's one of the most revered contemporary writers that we have in recent times. This book, without laying stress on what the plot is, about a Nigerian woman in America and her gaze on gender, violence, and everything. It might seem like a very bulky kind of a text, but the way she handles and unfolds the story is, it feels like you're learning a lot. And somebody's mentioned really rightly that it chronicles her everyday epiphanies. Whatever affects us in the most subliminal recommendations that I have. It's been quite an eclectic mix for me in the last 3-4 months, because I've genuinely tried to steer clear of writers and works that I usually would go in for and assimilate new information, and it's been quite fruitful, I would say. So, if you love anthologies or essays or observations, you might want to read Zadie Smith's book Intimations. Thin, petite book, her observations on the pandemic and life in general. And this is the book which kind of propelled me to realize that the form of reading that I find very absorbing and restorative even is actually people and their unfiltered thoughts, or ruminations or reflections, whatever you might call them. So I want to explore a Joanne Didion, a Susan Sontag, that's on my TBR list. I keep reading them and just perusing through their quotes sometimes. Also, genuine plug-in for Mason Curry's book called Daily Rituals, Women at Work. It's for all the creative process voyeurs who want to know what happens in a creative artist's day.